already applied the Face Shop's Anti-Darkening cushion as my base. For my brows, I'm using the Designing Eyebrow Pencil. Now I'm using these monocube eyeshadows. They come in several finishes. You can pick what you need and just click them together. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes with the 2-in-1 Curling Mascara. It comes with 2 brushes, including a smaller one that's perfect for the lower lashes. To add some color on my cheeks, I'm using the Hydro Cushion Blush. To finish off the look, I'll be using the Face Shop's Flat Velvet Lip. This has a unique shape that allows you to line your lips with the edge and fill them in with the flat side. The Flat Velvet Lip has a semi-matte finish and it's super long lasting.